We have addition of polynomials. We have three polynomials. First polynomial has three terms, so this is trinomial. Three terms, so we have trinomial, and two terms, so this is binomial. How we add? First, we have to take down the parentheses. Before parentheses, we have positive sign, so it means we have to take the parentheses and copy exactly what we have in parentheses. So we have 6t squared minus 3 plus 4t plus 6t minus 3 plus t squared. And we have now positive and negative, so we have to keep the sign negative, because here is like invisible 1. 1 times negative, positive 1 times negative, give me negative. Positive sign times negative, give me negative, and 1 we copy. And we have plus 3t squared. Now we have to combine the like terms. We will start from the highest power. We have 6t squared. Next we have 1t squared and 3t squared. So how we do this? We have to add coefficients before t squared and rewrite t squared. Coefficient before t squared we have 6. Here is invisible 1, so will be 7 plus 3 is 10. So we have 10t squared. Next, we will combine the terms with t. We have 4t, 6t, so 4t plus 6t. How we do this? We have to add coefficients before t, because both terms are positive, so we keep the sign positive, and we add 4 plus 6 is 10, and we have to rewrite t. Next we have to combine the constant. We have negative 3, and negative 1. So all three terms are negative, so we have negative sign, and now 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. This is my solution.